Do you like to golf? There's so many golf courses in the Denver metro area. Also, did you know there are some golf courses in the Denver metro area are created by professional golfers? So in this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best golf courses in the Denver area. If you know who I am, my name is Dipo.phillips, your Denver real estate agent. And if you're a buyer, seller, investor, and have any other questions about what's going on in Denver, please leave a comment below. And before you run away, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And at the end of the day, I just want to be a resource for any of your real estate needs. And also, I want to be your realtor for life. The first best course in Denver is the Cherry Hills Country Club. So this is a historic course, has hosted multiple major championships, including the U.S. Open, the PGA Championships, and the U.S. Senior Open. So the course was designed by William Flynn and is known for its challenging greens. He passed away at age 54, but together his group designed over 300 courses, 27 of which were earned as the top 100 golf courses in the world. The number 2 golf course in Denver is called a Common Ground course. So this is a public course. It's collaboration between Colorado Golf Association and the Denver Parks and Recreation. The course is designed to be a challenging yet far test of golf for players of any skill levels. So if you are a rookie like me or a professional, you need to check out this golf course and enjoy the greens. So the third best golf course in the Denver area is called the Clubs at Rolling Hills. So this course is located in Golden, Colorado, and was designed by Arnold Palmer. The course features spectacular views of the Rocky Mountains and is known for its well-manicured fairways and greens. So Arnold Palmer, great golfer, he passed away at age 82. But in 2000, Arnold Palmer was mentioned as the 6th greatest golfer of all time. The 4th best golf course in Denver is called the Ridge at Castle Pines North. So this course is located at Castle Rock and designed by Jack Nicklaus. This course features challenging fairway greens, stunning views of the Front Range. So Jack Nicklaus, we know he is one of the best golfers in the world, and he has won 73 PGA championships, 3rd of all time. And it's nice for him to design another good golf course in the Denver metro area. And if you want to have a good day of golfing, you need to check out this course. So the 5th best golf course in the Denver area is called the Golf Club at Bear Dance. So this course is located in Luxburg, Colorado, and was designed by Jim, hope I pronounced his name right. And the course features a challenging layout that is known for its elevation, changes, and natural beauty. So he is on the Colorado Hall of Fame as a golfer because he graduated from Colorado State University, and he designed several other different golf courses in Colorado. And there are so many great golf courses in the Denver area, and each course offers a unique test of golf and a chance to experience what Colorado has to offer. And if you're a golfer and has been to any of these golf courses in the Denver metro area or know any great golf courses in Denver, please leave a comment below this video. So I've talked about 5 great courses in the Denver area. 4 out of 5 was designed by professional golfers. And there's so many golf courses in the Denver metro area. And the cool thing about Denver, Colorado, it's very sunny and lots of greens and lots of land. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Appreciate your time for watching this video. And guess what, guys? I'll see you soon.